In this exercise, I'm going to demonstrate how to write a few formulas in Ruby to perform arithmetic and to execute a couple of mathematical functions. So let's get started. We're going to call this formulas.rb. So first I'm going to show you the formulas that we're going to convert, or translate, is probably a better word. So our first formula is x divided by y minus 3. Our second formula is 1 divided by x plus y. The third formula is the square root of x to the 6th plus y to the 5th, and I'll be filling in values for x and y for all of these. And then the last one will be the absolute value of x plus y. So let's get started. We're going to assign the value negative 13 to x, and y is going to be 2.0. So the first formula, we'll simply write it as is. Let's save the program. Bring our command prompt up, and we get negative 9.5. So if we go back and look at the formula, it's clear that the division is performed before the subtraction. Again, that's because the order of operations indicates that division comes before subtraction. Let's comment out that particular line. Now let's do the next formula. Now this time we want the denominator part of the expression evaluated first, so we put it in parentheses. So let's save and then run. A very small number, but the point was just to demonstrate that if we want the lower operation, in this case the addition, to happen before the higher operation, the division, then we use parentheses to force the evaluation. For the square root, we have to call square root from our math library. So the double asterisks is exponentiation. So x to the 6 is x star star 6 plus y star star 5. And we don't have to use parentheses here because exponentiation has a higher precedence than addition. Let's save the program. Then we'll run it. And there's our answer. For our last formula, we want to compute the absolute value of x plus y. So right here, we're going to write print x plus y ABS. Absolute value is a method from the number or numeric class. So it actually is tagged on to the end of our expression. Let's save that and execute it. And we get 11, which is correct. So there are 4 examples of converting formulas into Ruby. And this exercise demonstrates just straight arithmetic, and then also some arithmetic and some order of operations or precedence with some mathematical function calls, square root and absolute value. So that wraps up this exercise, and that wraps up this chapter.